fusion of business, technology, and personal development. It's time to get Heatherized.
Hi, I'm Heather Cole. I'm an expert in big data and analytics, an executive coach, and socialized nerd. I'm the president of Lodestar Solutions, but my true passion is to inspire analytically minded people to improve their soft skills and professional presence and hope to change the world with big data and analytics. I guess you could say that I was born to the world of analytics. At 13 years of age, I worked for my parents' startup software company. My father had written one of the first codes to track the futures market in a real-time basis. This was back in the early 80s, and computers were just starting to change the world of business. My father, a very bright, highly analytical man, was a genius. However, he lacked the soft skills to inspire and manage people. It was not uncommon for him to hire a new assistant, and then she'd leave for lunch the first day and never come back. His mission was to change the world with trading, and he really didn't care what other people thought, and he didn't ask for their ideas. My father taught me a lot about computers, and I was a natural at it. In the early days of computers, you didn't need soft skills, you just needed to know how to work a computer, because nobody else knew how to. But I was disturbed watching my father make employees cry. I didn't want to be like him. I vowed I would treat people differently. I began reading a lot of books like Dale Carnegie's How to Win Friends and Influence People. I practiced the techniques that I learned in the books, and guess what? It worked for me. My new skills were making me very successful at work, but I was missing something. You see, my mom always taught us that we had to do charity work. We had to do things for others, or you were not balanced. And despite all my success at work, I was off balance. I was getting bored with my career and implementing software and selling it. I thought there had to be more. As I was soul searching, a friend came to me and asked me to go to a Tony Robbins conference with her. My initial response was, I heard they do a lot of hugging there, and I'm not such a big hugger. She begged me to watch the Oprah Winfrey special on Tony Robbins, which convinced me that I better check it out. On the first day of UPW, it was like lightning struck me. I witnessed Tony Robbins inspire 5,000 people to create a plan, eliminate their excuses, and make massive change in their lives. I decided then and there I wanted to be the Tony Robbins of data and analytics. I would teach companies and people the skills, how to roadmap and execute a plan to leverage data and analytics. I already believed that analytics could lead to innovation, and innovation could change the world. But I'd have to break down the barriers that often exist between IT and the business. I had to teach technologists how to interact better with the business. So I created a plan to socialize the nerds. Suddenly, energy flowed through my body, and I feverishly documented how to create entertaining, interactive, and educational content. My goal was to inspire and motivate people to develop the soft skills needed to deliver and use technology. My goal in creating this website is to help analytically minded people like you lead your organizations to increase profitability and innovation by leveraging data and analytics. Heatherized will provide educational videos, blogs, and links to all my favorite resources designed to build and develop your soft skills. I hope you enjoy and share your ideas on how to socialize the nerds. If you're looking for a speaker at your next conference or trade show, or interested in receiving some coaching, please reach out to me and sign up for our newsletters. I believe wholeheartedly that data and analytics can change the world. If you want to make a difference, it's time to get Heatherized.